removed. See, ABS sensor in here, the wheel bearing, you got a C-clip right around here. So we just got to take it to my buddy's shop and get this bearings pressed out, and I'll show you the part. One second, I'll go get the bearings so you can have an idea what the bearing look like that we're going to be installing with this. Sorry about that, my video died while I was recording. So, okay, but here's the bearings that this is what it looks like. So that's to be pressed out from back here, going down this way. So, see you in my next video when I reinstall this tomorrow. And thanks for watching my channel. Hope you find this video useful, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and give me a thumbs up or give me a thumbs down. Let me know in the future videos what you want to see me do, and thanks for watching.